Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are exploring something truly extraordinary, a vehicle that takes the idea of travel and living on the road to levels of luxury that almost seem impossible. This is the Bentley Motorhome 2026, a creation that blends Bentley's heritage of craftsmanship and performance with the world of ultimate comfort and mobility. It is not just a motorhome, but a rolling mansion designed for those who want to experience the freedom of the open road without leaving behind even a fraction of sophistication or refinement. From the outside, the Bentley Motorhome 2026 immediately distinguishes itself from anything else you've seen in the recreational vehicle world. The silhouette is sleek yet commanding, designed to turn heads wherever it travels. Bentley's signature design language is unmistakable in the grille, with the famous mesh pattern proudly sitting up front, flanked by crystal-cut LED headlights that resemble fine jewelry. The bodywork is elegant, with smooth lines that flow the entire length of the motorhome, creating a sense of motion even when standing still. Chrome accents and subtle Bentley badging remind you this isn't just another large vehicle. This is something created by one of the most prestigious automakers on the planet. Even the wheels, massive in size to support its presence, are styled with the same detail you'd expect on a Bentley Continental or Bentayga, only adapted to this colossal scale. The rear end is equally refined, with taillights echoing Bentley's, modern design cues, and a finish that feels handcrafted. Step inside, and the motorhome's cabin tells an even greater story of indulgence. Every inch has been designed with comfort and extravagance in mind. The living area greets you with lounge seating wrapped in hand-stitched leather, sourced from Bentley's finest suppliers. The color palettes are customizable, allowing owners to choose from classic Bentley tones or commission their own. Surfaces are adorned with polished wood veneers, brushed metals, and intricate detailing. Ambient lighting sets the mood, highlighting contours and textures while allowing you to relax, in warmth or brightness depending on your preference. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, with a huge OLED screen, surround sound audio, and full smart integration. Moving further in, the motorhome features a fully equipped kitchen, designed with both beauty and function. Marble countertops, high-end appliances, and generous storage make it as practical as it is elegant. For dining, a fold-out table with handcrafted chairs transforms the space into a setting that rivals a fine restaurant. The bedroom is where Bentley's touch truly shines. A king-sized bed with the softest linens sits beneath a panoramic roof, giving you the choice of falling asleep under the stars or in complete privacy with motorized shades. Storage solutions have been seamlessly integrated, ensuring there's space for every item while keeping the environment uncluttered. The bathroom is equally opulent, with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and spa-like finishes, making it clear that Bentley intended this motorhome to deliver a full luxury living experience on wheels. Performance has not been overlooked either. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is powered by a mighty engine, likely a tuned version of Bentley's V8 or even W12 powertrain, delivering smooth, effortless propulsion. Despite its massive size, the drive is designed to be as serene as any Bentley sedan. Advanced air suspension ensures the ride feels like you're floating, ironing out imperfections in the road, while modern driver assistance systems make handling such a large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Noise insulation is world-class, making the interior whisper quiet even at highway speeds. The motorhome isn't about speed, but it delivers confidence, stability, and grace on every journey. Fuel efficiency is naturally not its strongest point, but for buyers at this level, efficiency is far less important than refinement and capability. And of course, we must talk about price. The Bentley Motorhome 2026 is expected to cost in the multiple millions. Estimates suggest a base price around $2.5 to $3 million, but with Bentley's bespoke Mulliner division involved, the sky is truly the limit. Owners will be able to personalize nearly every detail, from interior trims to unique features, pushing final prices far higher depending on taste. This exclusivity ensures that only a handful of these will ever be built, making them as much collector's items as they are modes of travel. The Bentley Motorhome 2026 is not just transportation, it's a statement. It takes the ideals of Bentley craftsmanship, design, and performance and stretches them into a home on wheels, offering the rare opportunity to live and travel in the same kind of splendor usually reserved for mansions or private jets. For the very few who can afford it, it represents the absolute pinnacle of motorhome luxury, a rolling palace that brings Bentley's DNA to the world of mobile living. That concludes our look at the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. It's an incredible creation that redefines what's possible when automotive excellence meets luxury living. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned here at KK Autos for more reviews of the world's most unique and extraordinary vehicles.